Hey everybody, Randall Houston here again, and this is my itTiot video doorbell. Looks really good, but I was lamenting on the factory video that there was no way to get the video out of this doorbell unless you put it on your phone, and there was no way to transfer the video. Well, I was told by a gentleman on the video that somebody in a review had stated that this has a regular micro SD card in it, so we're going to find out. Take these screws out of here. Supposedly there's a 8 gig Toshiba micro SD card, so let's find out. I also see something else here. There is a data port, and I'm wondering if you can't just hook that right into a USB cable and transfer it to your computer. So we're going to find out both ways. Take these screws out. Okay, pop the back off. Do a little looking. I don't see anything just yet. Oh, wait a minute. My gosh, there actually is. Kind of hard to get to. There actually is a micro SD card. Just plugs right in. Well, it's just really neat, and that's great because, you know, sometimes your Wi-Fi may go down, your internet connection might go down while you're gone, and well, you'd be kind of screwed if it was all internal. So cool, that's great to know. I'm going to put this all back together, and we're going to see what this micro USB port does. And this might be another handy way to load your video. So let's find out here together. Put these screws back in. Okay. Now we'll replace the batteries because I'm sure it'll have to be powered up to transfer the data. Alright, and I have a Android or micro USB cable right here. So I'll just plug this sucker in. And let's see if this will transfer right to the computer. That would really be nice if it did. Don't mind my clutter, my computer desk here. Okay. I'm not. Okay. It's evidently just a power port. So, anyways, you can still take the micro SD card out, which is really good to know. Yeah, that's all that's for. Unless that's a charge-only cable. So, let me go into my stash of cables here. I have a data cable. Let's see what happens. Okay. Yeah, it's just a power cable for that. So anyways, it's still nice. Go into my computer just to make sure. Yep, nothing else is coming up. But it does have a removable micro SD card, and I'm kind of wondering, maybe you can put a bigger card in it for even more recording. But anyways, that's a great thing to know. And I sure appreciate that gentleman for pointing it out to me.